There you go. So, just a quick background. I think in the winter time, I started having those coolant thing. I went to the Mercedes. They told me that it was a coolant leak, that I need to change it. Long story short, Mercedes-Benz asked me about $1,200 to fix this whole thing. So I went back home. I did my research. I found out that what the problem was exactly. How much the tank cost. It was like $70 plus, $70 plus shipping. So I was like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So, but I have to say, I also got that the connection to the Mercedes-Benz database cost me about a few bucks. But besides, that's like a one-time cost. But now because I have a few Mercedes-Benz, I mean, use it for all my repair. So what we're trying to replace is this. See how it's spraying all over? So there's a leak. If you see, like right there is where it's broken. There's like a leak. So sometime when the coolant overheats, it just kind of like spray on the engine. And then I think we're gonna clean over there as well too. So just gonna have to unplug those cables, make sure everything is good, replace the tank. There you go. Here's the new tank. So let's see. Like I said, should be about like this. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna have to do this quick, but long story short is we disconnected this. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess. I just don't want the only electrical part. This, I want it. This, hopefully nothing bad is in there. This one also was leaking. It's from the radiator. So, but besides that, I think we took it off. It's all right here. Freaking coolant tank. So I'm gonna empty it first. Actually, I don't even know how to empty it. Yeah, this thing is done for. I mean, look at it. It's like it's barely holding anything. Yeah, like it's keep breaking on the side. The other day it was breaking too. Long story short. Don't you guys see that in there? Maybe like a filter. Alright, cool. So we're gonna put this down. Let's go. We're gonna grab this one. Here you go, new cool. Yeah. Oh yeah. This one also has the, I don't know, but I heard some stuff, so I heard that's good. Anyway, you're gonna put the new one in. Like we said, shouldn't be too bad. You only got one plug. So the way it's plugged in, this is going to the bottom part. This thing right here is going here. This right here is going here. This electrical part right here is going here, and the rest just the attach. This right here is going there just for leveling, and should be great. Should be done. Yeah. All right, let's do it. All right, as you can see, put it back, just back in. If you look down there, this right here, this way here is plugged in. You can even see the juice flowing in a little bit. You can see this way here too. Over there, this thing right here is also plugged in. This is plugged in. We'll put it on the stabilizer. We put the wire back. Everything is back good. So let's go get some. Let's get some coolants, baby. There you go. Hit the camera either. Yeah, I'm not gonna feel it like 100%. Done. I'm like 90% full. There you go. It's like 95% full. Alright, cool. Everything is done. On my end, let's go. See the sensor picks it up. She like the way I'm moving. Alright, so usually when I start the car, you know where it says don't forget the key? It'll tell me like coolant level or something. So let's go. Alright, cool. Yep. No error at all. Problem fixed. So, yep. What we're gonna do is we're gonna test. We're gonna drive it again. We're gonna meet up with some friends tonight. We're gonna drive it, see how it reacts and everything. But I think we should be all good. The rest, what I'm gonna do is just clean up a bit. I just wanna do some deep engine cleanup. Just make sure I remove everything that I spilled, everything that was spilled there before, and then we'll continue on some upgrade for the car. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.